It's time for a weekend getaway. The weather's not predicted to be good, but we're going anyway. This is our first trip in the new Crusader, why wouldn't we? We're headed to a little personal favourite of mine, a place about an hour out of Newcastle inland, a place called Camp on Allyn. Now you won't find this place on your standard TV adverts or brochures, and that's part of the reason why it's special to me. It's more secluded. It's almost free camping, but with power and water. Make sure you set your GPS. If you don't, you might miss the turn. It's on a long, windy road just before you hit Gresford. When you get to the gate, you give the phone number a call. Robin will probably answer and she'll buzz you through. You jump out, open the gate like you would if it was your own cattle station. It's then when you drive down the dirt driveway you start to understand what's so special about this place. You roll off the gravel, onto the manicured lawns, onto your drive-through site. These sites are massive, make setup a breeze. When you're all set up and taking the view, you could be forgiven for thinking you're on your own ranch. Nothing but rolling hills, grazing cattle, and wildlife everywhere around. Now this place is really well looked after. While the toilets and showers might look like rustic corrugated iron outhouses, when you enter you see everything's well looked after, very tidy, very clean, but has that country charm. You can tell the owners have a sense of humour too. You may find yourself in there longer than anticipated, just having a laugh at what's on the walls. The retreat is a self-contained outdoor kitchenette, plenty for entertaining. It's definitely worth a walk down the riverbank. Open the gate, keep the cattle back on the other side, and wander down the hill. You'll see a watering hole that's perfect for those hot summer days. You'll even come across some wildlife if you stay still long enough. As you walk behind the outhouse, you'll see farm equipment placed on concrete slabs, well looked after. Interesting for the young or the young at heart. So whether you're a family looking for a bit of space to sprawl out, or a couple looking for that relaxed country quiet lifestyle, this will be the place for you. I can't recommend this place enough. I think we'll definitely be back.